Do you, like me, sometimes put a lot of mental pressure on yourself or take on the cares of the world? It is all too easy to let this pressure take us over and then feel exhausted, especially if there is a lot going on in our lives, as there is for many of us right now. However, when we let ourselves rest in the thought and feeling of, I am enough, and let the rest go, the enough in us grows without pressure or force, and grace shines through. Right now, whatever is happening in your life or in the lives of those around you, take time to surrender into peace by easing into and through any turbulent thoughts or feelings to land in the grace and peace of God. That is our ground of being here in our midst. Daily Word put it beautifully recently. Fearful or anxious energy is like a lake's choppy waves on a windy day. The serenity of my soul is like the water at depth that always remains calm and still. The peace that passes all understanding is always here, underneath and within the activities of the world when we look for it. For this peace and serenity lies within us. So the invitation is with faith. Move through the discomfort without identifying with it. Practice, I let go and let God. And God as grace and peace and serenity and wisdom will emerge. You are enough. We are enough. I am enough.